This is a One More Life break limited. Yeah, I got a couple boxes for my group break, but I'm gonna open one box right now because as long as I can wait. Okay. Jason Terry, Silver Spotlight, Tony Parker, and not bad, Danny Granger, on-card auto, and it's 1 out of 25. Not bad. Joakim Noah and draft 11 and Nate Archibald. So yeah, not bad. Alright, that's it. So here one more time. Danny Granger, not bad.